What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do a quick core session, 3 rounds, 5 exercises, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Follow me. Let's get into it. Here we go. First thing we got is that Russian twist. We're just going to be sitting up with our feet on the floor, starting in 3, 2, 1, twist. Remember, use these as a warm-up. And then rounds 2 and 3, just go a little bit harder. This is ample rest time in between, so you can light it up, because 30 seconds of rest for your core should be plenty. Rest. All right. Nose itches. We got bicycle coming up next. Try to hit that knee to your elbow, or at least extend to it. Nice and controlled. Here we go. Rest. Ooh, that feels pretty good. And then we have crunches, so nice and light. And then we'll do a side plank for 30 seconds on each side, and repeat that 2 more times. We'll be done. Nice, either finisher or light core workout if this is all you're doing today. But good way to get the blood flowing into this region and help stabilize. So crunches, here we go. Heel should just tap the ground, back up. Rest. All right, so I'm going to start on my left side. You can start on either right or left for that side plank. And I'm going to add a little bit of a rotation. You don't have to. Just to engage that oblique a little bit more, because the obliques like to work in rotation. So let's go ahead and start setting up for our side plank. Here we go. I like to hold on to my oblique too, just to help feel it engage. All right, then we're going to go over to the other side, same thing, and then 2 more rounds. About 15 seconds, and here we go. Start setting up. All right, that was round 1. You should be nice and warmed up in your core. That way we can up the intensity just a little bit. And all that means is either pausing at the top of a rep or emphasizing the contraction a little bit. Since we're just using body weight, it's really hard to increase the resistance. So you can pick your feet up on the Russian twist as well. Here we go. Or going a little faster. Whew. Feels pretty good. We got the bike coming up next. This is a good back to back because coming from those side planks or obliques, and a little bit of the side of the rectus abdominis, which is that six pack, is going to be a little more lit up than if you just did straight linear core. So here we go, get ready to go. Just 30 seconds of work. Oh, feeling good. There's like a little bit of a, I don't know if you get this, but every time I do an intense core exercise, I'll have like a shock wave effect. It's like an aftershock of like everything contracting really quick and then releasing after the next like 3 seconds. So it just could be hard to breathe. Got those crunches. Here we go. Rest. Now we got side plank on both sides. So I'm going to start with my left again and then go over to my right. Last 2 exercises for this round and then 1 more round left. Here we go. Switching over to the right side. Stretch it out for a second. Here we go. Last exercise for circuit 2. Let's power through it. All right, last round. Oh. Get ready to lay it all on the table. This is a great, again, if you do this in the morning, it's a great start to your day, but it's also a great finisher if you've already worked out today as well. Just get a little extra core workout in. There we go, Russian twist, last set. Rest. Then we got those bikes. Oh. Then crunches. And then one more side plank on each side. Try to calm yourself these rest times, but about 5 seconds before, tell your brain it's time to go. So here we go. Last bike. Feels good. Well, I had like a dog hair fly into my eyeball there for a second. Oh, that's okay. Makes it a little even more challenging, you know? Mental tolerance. Like, I'm kind of fingers crossed right now that the camera is actually recording and it hasn't shut off. Here we go. We got crunches. Rest. Side plank. Last 2 exercises. And then we're done. Stay strong. Stay with it. 15 seconds left and rest. Fingers crossed this camera is recording because I cannot see it right now. So here we go. My oblique started to cramp up a little bit. It means it's working. Last exercise. Finish strong. And then we'll be done for today's core workout. And stay tuned for Tuesday's workout. Remember, these once a day. That's when I'm posting these. At least for the next 30 days. All right, we are done with core today. Thank you for joining me for this Monday workout. Yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Once a day, that's the plan for at least 30 days. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Take care.